Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about WordPress Interactivity Directives for WordPress block. So in my previous video I showed you the basics of WordPress interactivity and how to create interactive block for the WordPress. And in this video we are going to talk about directives. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning, otherwise continue watching. So in my previous video I showed you how we can create interactive block using command. So for the sake of this video I'm gonna quickly run this command and will create a new interactive block for this video. So let me open VS Code. This is my local WordPress setup and let me run the command. So first let's go to the plugins folder and then run this command. So let's paste this and let me rename the block name, and I would say BWP interactive block. Oh, sorry about that. Let me set NVM and now let's run this command. So it is building a interactive block. So it will take some time. Let's see in the folders. So it generated this folder and it's still generating some files. So it will take some time. Meanwhile, let's understand what directives are. So directives are custom attributes that are added to the markup of your block. So markup means whatever you add in the save.js or render.php, paste whatever the static block or the dynamic block. In this markup, there are attributes start with data-wp. Here it is. So there are different directives. For example, data-wp interactive, which is used to define a block that this is the interactive block, and everything interactivity applies to child element of that particular div. So we will understand each and every directives in upcoming videos. As of now, just understand that directives are nothing but attributes provided by the WordPress. So this is context, all have different purpose. So let's see this on click, which will use to handle the click event. So we don't have to write in the JavaScript that document not on click on this element. We just write on click here, and the function for on click we define here itself. So this is on click, and if you see this dot toggle is a function. So whatever we write in this toggle function will happen when we click on this button. So this is the use of directives. It will reduce the code effort. I hope you understand now what the directives are and what is the purpose of directive. So our plugin is generated. Let's go to the plugin folder and let's start npm. Okay, now I'm gonna open the src folder, and in the src I will open render.php. Let me close this, and if you if you see this markup, these are the directives in the block generated by that command. So here is the WP watch, WP on click, text, all have their own purpose that we will understand later as of now. So here again on click example. So this is the on click event, and then this is the toggle theme. Now this function will be defined in view.js. All these are functions. Callbacks, action and state, I will explain it later, but as of now just focus on the second word after the dot, which is the callback function. Now let me show you this function defined in the view.js. So this is the view.js, and if I try to search this function, so here is the function, and whatever we doing in this function will apply when we click on that button. So view.js is made of three parts: state, actions and callbacks. I will explain this again later. We will understand this part thoroughly. As of now, just understand that everything will revolve around the state, action and callbacks, and that's it. Your interactivity will be completed within this file view.js and render.php. Render.php if your block is dynamic, otherwise save.js if your block is static. So again, yeah, this theme.text function will be also there. Here it is. So yeah, this is the purpose of directives, which is the main feature of interactivity. So yeah, I hope you understand the interactivity directives. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.